Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Just like that. Yeah. You can face this side, please. Sorry. Are you visiting?
Pardon?
Are you visiting or are you from here?
No, I live here.
Oh, that's nice. I'll take one more. One more close up. There you go.
Ah.
So that is what I do.
Oh, I'll give you a follow.
Thank you.
What's your name on it?
It's Wander Not.
Wonder. Oh, cool. Well, it was nice to meet you. I've given you a follow.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Cheers. Excuse me. Hi. So my name is Juban. So I randomly go to people, take their photos and post them on my social media as a video. Just wondering if I can get a picture by any chance.
Sure.
Thank
you.
you.
Is there anything you want me to do?
You can just sit there.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Do you mind if I just like go on or do you want me to look at
Just look at the camera for me, please. I'll take one more. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure they're fine. You're the photographer. You do everything.
Thank you so much for your time. Nice meeting you.
Nice
Cheers.
meeting you.
Have a nice day. Cheers. Excuse me, guys. Do you mind if I take your photo?
Yeah? Are we being paid?
No, no.
Oh. Where's it doing? Where's it doing?
My Instagram. I do reels on Instagram. I'll show you my page, okay?
Yeah.
This looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I do, mate. So
Oh, wow.
I do portraits of people.
Okay, take a good one.
Yeah. Real talk.
Start back there.
Yeah. You can give some pose. Yeah.
Yeah, these are actually cold. Yo, these are cold. Guys, these are really nice. Yeah, okay, so Instagram?
It's one or not.
I don't have my phone. I've got mine. Oh, yeah.
What, can you send us all them pictures?
Sure.
Yeah,
Just send
yeah.
me an email. I'll upload to my drive and I'll send
Oh
it.
my God. Love.
Ooh, sorry.
Yeah, we'll
Just
share you as
follow
well.
yourself
We'll share
on
your
there.
page, man.
Your
Sure.
stuff is really... Are you based in London?
Right now I'm in London, so I'm basically from India.
Okay.
How long are you in
London for?
2 years.
Oh, wow.
Nice. We might have to call you for a shoot, not gonna lie.
Yeah, bro.
It's giving collaboration.
Yeah.
Because he's actually
Yeah.
very clean.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, lovely.
What's your
name?
Juby.
Juby.
Your name?
Chase.
Chase.
Zakai.
Nala.
Nice to meet you
Nice to
guys.
meet you as well,
Nice
my
day.
bro. Take care,
Cheers.
yeah? Love. He's cool, man.
Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your picture? Thank you.
Daniel, I'm so sorry. Can I call you back? I've just been interrupted. I'm so sorry. Okay.
I'm sorry to bother you. Okay. What's your name, by the way?
Mariciela. Nice to meet you.
I'm Juby. Nice to meet you too. Just look at the camera. I'll take one picture like can you stand near the tree, please? Can you turn around and look at me like this, through the shoulders? Yeah, like the. One more. Can you please lean on the tree for me, please? Yeah, like that.
Oh wow! Oh my god! They look so nice.
Thank you. Your bag.
Are you a photographer?
Yeah, I do reels on Instagram. Let me show you my page.
I'm gonna pick up my.
Sure. Yeah, so that is my page.
Oh my gosh! Let me follow you.
Sure. That's
Wow, you're really
So that is
good.
me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
Wow, that's really cool.
Are
And
you-
so you upload on here as well.
Yeah. So I do behind the scenes on this camera and I'll post a video on that.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I'll give you a follow back. So it was nice meeting. Are you a student here?
I'm a student in Nottingham. Nottingham, in middle of the UK.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and my parents live here, so
Oh, that's
I'm
nice.
here for the Salsa Temple.
Ah, okay.
I dance.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done with the? Or are you about to do that?
And we're gonna do that now, yeah.
Ah, all
Have
the
you
best.
tried it?
No, not yet.
Do you wanna come in?
Is there any tickets or?
No, it's free. There's 2 lessons, and each lesson is £7, I think.
Okay.
It's salsa. It's Latin dance, salsa, bachata.
I haven't done that actually.
Go for it.
Go.
It's beginners.
Are you
They
sure?
have beginner classes, yeah.
How long is it gonna be? I can try
It's
it.
like 1 hour each lesson.
When are you going in?
Later, I'm gonna stay here until like 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a try maybe. But I haven't done that.
Why not? Yeah. You
Sure.
can come in with me if you want. I don't
Yeah,
mind.
sure. Thank you.
That's okay. So what have you been up to today?
No, just photography. That's it.
That's really cool.
Do they need any ID or something?
Yeah. This ID?
Yeah, I do have an ID.
Hello, Vincent. You guys check your ID?
No, that
No, not yet.
No, come.
Thank you.